Hey Priyanka, your performance has been a bit off color these days. Off color? Off color means your performance that is not up to the usual standard. That means it's not good. Oh, okay, ma'am. Because of that, you are walking on a thin ice. Thin ice? I walk on a road, ma'am. No, Priyanka, walking on a thin ice, that means you are in a risky situation. What to do then? From now onwards, you have to pull up your socks. Pull up my socks? Socks is already up, ma'am. Pull up your socks means you have to improve your performance or behaviors. Yes, ma'am, I will do that. You have to kill two birds with one stone. No, ma'am. I don't kill birds. No, Priyanka. Kill two birds with one stone means to do one thing which will achieve two results. Oh, sure, ma'am. And remember, if you drop the ball again, you are toast. Which ball? And what toast? If you drop a ball means if you make a mistake or mishandle things. And your toast means in a serious problem or in a trouble. Okay, ma'am. So do you face this situation? Write in the comment.